Why do we care so much when athletes get caught for doping? The manipulation of sport directly contradicts why we watch sport, and that's its unscripted nature. You don't know who's going to win. We rationalize our way past significantly worse ethical conundrums because of our passion for sport. A really good example would be the enhanced games that happened. It's basically giving bonus monies to athletes to engage in a doping regimen. So the one side, you can say this is a testing ground to see if it actually is something that could work for society. But on the other hand, you're normalizing a behavior that is currently unregulated. At the end of the day, what we really care about is person's agency versus their morality. I teach an ethics module here at UCD in which we actually run a debate league all season, all semester. We debate whether we should support the enhanced games, the environmental impact of the sports industry, or who owns the media. I want my students to be able to sort of make these calls, understanding the different perspectives and different elements that are involved in actually making the right call.